In this tutorial, we will show how to update the firmware version of a CX4 module. This procedure can also be used with the PRE Regulator series. First, make sure that the CX4 module is properly powered with 24 volts. Then connect the USB cable and plug it into the PC. Open the Camozzi USB Gateway software, click on the Tools menu, and then select Device Firmware Upgrade USB. When the Devices Upgrades window opens, click on the Select File button and choose the file you intend to use for updating the device. Once selected, choose the device you want to update and click on Boot Mode. The device will disappear from the device's running screen and will appear as USB 1 in the device's boot mode screen. Then click on USB 1 and start the update procedure by pressing the Upgrade button. Wait for the operation to complete and for the confirmation message indicating that the procedure has been successfully completed.